Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kitfort KT-1361, a stylish and powerful countertop blender that can become a valuable assistant in any modern kitchen. The first thing that catches your attention is its bold red design. It stands out from traditional kitchen appliances and adds a vibrant touch to your countertop. But this blender is about much more than appearance. The Kitfort KT-1361 is designed to handle a variety of food preparation tasks. Whether you're making smoothies, milkshakes, fruit drinks, sauces, soups, or crushing ingredients for recipes, this blender aims to deliver consistent results. A large blending container allows you to prepare multiple servings at once, making it suitable for families and meal preparation. One of the biggest advantages of a stationary blender is convenience. Simply add your ingredients, choose the desired setting, and let the blender do the work. Fresh fruits, vegetables, ice, and various ingredients can be blended into smooth and delicious mixtures within seconds. The controls are easy to understand, making the appliance suitable for both beginners and experienced users. For people who enjoy healthy eating, the KT-1361 offers a quick way to prepare nutritious smoothies, fresh juices, and homemade recipes. It can easily become part of your daily routine. Overall, the Kitfort KT-1361 combines attractive design, practical functionality, and reliable blending performance. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen blender that can handle a wide range of everyday tasks, this model is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing what you would blend first with the Kitfort KT-1361. See you in the next review.